Hello friends, in today's video I'll talk about one of the data tools option that we have is remove duplicate. This option is used to remove any duplicate value that we have in our data set. So, for example, I have this list with first name, last name, company, address, city, state. Now I want to remove all the duplicates or find all those unique city and states within my list. So for that, since I don't want to disturb the data set that I have, so what I'll do is I'll copy city in a different column. So like in column G, I've copied. So I have altogether 501 rows. So I've copied the same thing over here, 501 rows. Then I'll select my data and choose the option that I have under data. So data tool, we see this option called remove duplicate. I'll click on remove duplicate. So when I select remove duplicate, I get this small box, a pop-up box, which says to delete duplicate values, select one or more columns that contains the duplicates. And by default, I have my column header as city. Since this option is checked, it shows me column header. If I do not check, it gives me the column. So in this, I know that city is my column header, so I'll just use this option and say OK. So it said that there are 20 duplicates and 480 unique values within my list. I'll hit OK. And when I select the same dataset, so I'm getting 480, but my original dataset had 500 rows. This was a big list. Now let's do the same thing with states. So I'll include the header called state and do the same thing. I'll come to data, then data tool option, remove duplicates. Again, header is my state, so I've selected headers since I have a header state. Okay, so you can see 492 duplicates values were there, and I have 8 unique values. I hit OK. So from this list of 500 values, there were 8 unique values. So this option remove duplicate gives me those unique values. So in this case, we saw remove duplicate options for single column. What if I want to do for 2 columns together? Okay, I'm copying a small list over here, and I have both the columns here selected, and then I hit remove duplicate. So you can see this time both the columns are coming here. Again, if I remove the headers, I'll see column numbers over here, but when I bring in the headers, I see the header values over here and say OK. So there are no duplicates because everything that we have over here are unique values. So let me take the full list this time. Okay, I've taken the full list of 500 rows. Then I say remove duplicates, same options, and OK. So this time I see that there were 14 duplicate values which were removed, and I still have 486 unique values. So this 486 means that it is making a combination of city and states. So that's where I have such a big list of unique values. So I hope I could make it a bit clear how we can use remove duplicate options for single columns, or we can combine 2 different columns and use it. It's a very helpful tool if we are dealing with a large number of data. For example, if I want to create a drop down list from my data set, so I can just copy this into a separate section and then use this option to create a drop down. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, press the like button. Stay tuned to our upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. Thank you.